In this video, we're going to replace the sway bar link in this 2013 Hyundai Elantra. With a 21mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts and our wheel. All right, we're going to hit this bottom bolt with a 17mm socket. Go ahead and back that out. Now that we've broken it free, you'll notice that there's an area in here where it spins. So we'll go ahead and put a 17mm wrench on there while we take the bolt off. Because we have clearance on the top, we now have a 19mm on an impact driver. We'll back this out just a little bit so we can get our wrench in the back. So now that we have this a little loose, we can take our 17mm wrench, put it on the back side, on the link side, and with our impact driver, we can take that nut right off. Now that we have top and bottom removed, we can take our sway bar link right out. We'll install our new sway bar link. We'll start at the bottom, feed the stud through, put our nut on finger tight. I'll work over to the top. Put the nut on, finger tight. All right. So it's an 18mm socket. 16mm wrench. With a 16mm wrench, I'm going to back that bolt up. And with an 18mm socket, we're going to tighten this down. All right, now we got those snugged up, torque them down. Our 16mm wrench behind here, and our 18mm socket. We'll torque these bolts down to 75 foot-pounds. With our 16mm wrench behind this one, torque this down to 75 foot-pounds also. Put the wheel back on. Go ahead and put our lug nuts on by hand. We'll just snug these up. So now we're going to torque our lug nuts down with the vehicle on the ground. The tire is not going to rotate. We're going to torque them down with a 21 millimeter socket to 69 foot-pounds. We're going to do that in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.